Hi, I'm Rebecca Hidalgo with Integrity All-Star Realty. Wanted to talk to you guys today about loan modifications. Not necessarily our favorite avenue. They're very challenging. A lot of people go ahead and try to get them before they come to see me. And that's actually why I wanted to talk to you guys today, because unfortunately, I have yet, in the last few years, we've helped over 100 families do short sales successfully. I have yet to see a client actually get a good loan modification. A good loan modification, my definition, would be one where they would adjust the principal down to what today's current value is. If they aren't doing that, meaning the banks, then you're doing nothing more than just getting a band-aid to the real problem, which is being upside down in a home. Obviously, a huge problem too would be not being able to make mortgage payments. But what I found a couple things with clients who have done loan modifications or tried to do them and then come see me, is currently today, number one, I want everybody to know that if you haven't gotten late on your mortgage yet and you're trying to figure out what to do before you go late, come see us first, because typically to do a loan modification you have to do a payment schedule, a payment plan for at least a few months, and when you do that, they usually are reporting you late with your payments. So many times when somebody's done a failed loan modification or have gotten one, but maybe they only reduced the payment $100 and it was really of no help, they come to me with several lates on their mortgage, usually with the trustee's sale date already set, which has the clock running and makes our job a lot harder to help somebody who wants to do a short sale rather than lose their home to foreclosure. Another thing that's happened, and I did help some people a few years ago do loan modifications, because they really didn't want to have to leave their home, and I understand that aspect of it. Unfortunately, I have one that I did do successfully, at least in the client's opinion, and somebody very close to me. And when we pulled her credit today, even though she'd never been late with a payment, it's been flagged. So even if she wanted to go buy something else, even though she's never missed a payment, she's been flagged as a high risk and now can't get a mortgage. She may as well have just done a short sale a few years ago because her clock would already be over and she'd be able to buy a house had she done one a few years ago. So there's a lot of pros and cons. I think the biggest pro is allowing somebody to stay in there, but like I have a friend who works over at Bank of America and does loan modifications, and we just talked about this today, and that's part of why I decided to talk to you guys about it, is she said that, you know, all it does is help delay the inevitable for most people, which for some people is reason enough to try to go down that road. But I do seriously urge you to, before you even fill out an application for a loan modification, whether it's me or another licensed professional, seek out the help from a realtor and get the advice and find out what your options are besides doing a loan modification. Because between the headaches and the nightmare stories I've heard, and the majority of people not getting any kind of help, let alone the real help that they need, I personally think that you're better off just getting a clean slate and starting over. Please feel free to call me or get on our website, www.integrityallstars.com. Our office phone number is 480-243-4242, and we can run an analysis on your situation and on your home and at least give you the best opinion from our perspective that of a decision that I know is real tough to make. Again, www.integrityallstars.com, or call us directly at 480-243-4242. Thank you.